Hey friends, welcome on into another episode of Busy Beauty. I am Gabrielle Kerr, and this show all about giving you some tips, giving you some tricks on how to fit self-care, a little self-love into your busy lifestyle, into your busy routine. So I'm a working mom, I'm also a licensed esthetician, so beauty is right up my alley, and this video may be a little something different. This is more of a challenge video. So it's a new year, 2020, a new decade, so I'm trying to be the best me that I can be. And so one thing I've always struggled with is getting enough water. So I decided to challenge myself to drink more water every day. So for the new year, my resolution is to drink more water. And also, let's just toss in my other resolution, which is to get to bed earlier. I am a night owl. I have a tendency to stay up late, but then I gotta get up early, and you know, it's all just a vicious cycle. So I need to get my Z's, I need to get my hydration on. You're gonna be on my journey to see how well I do and check on my progress. How much water should you drink? That's not for me to say. So I would say, check with your healthcare professional to determine how much water is right for you. I have come to the conclusion that I should drink about 64 ounces. That's what we're gonna do. So this is the 8x8 challenge. 8-ounce glasses of water a day. And we're gonna we're gonna do this for a week, not even try. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna be successful. And you know what? I always like to start a new routine or a new challenge off with a new purchase. I can't help it. Like when I'm gonna work out, I need new shoes and new workout gear. So for my water challenge, look what I bought. I got some water bottles. Look at these. They're from MANNA. Okay, but this is what I thought was really neat. Do you see what that says right there on the side? This is a 25-ounce bottle. I wanted to get the biggest bottle that I could, so that way I don't have to constantly refill. But when I'm finished with my water challenge, it holds an entire bottle of wine. So that means I'd have to fill this up twice. That'd be 50 ounces. And then I figure I could always have just a glass of water to start the day and then a 8-ounce glass to end the day. So that's what we're gonna do. So I hope you'll follow along with me, and I'll check in and let you know how it's going with the getting to bed on time as well, and how I feel, and if it makes a difference, and if I have more energy because I'm getting to bed and I'm hydrating and all that good stuff. So if you want to do the challenge along with me, please do. Comment in the comment section. Let me know how it's going for you, if it made any difference. But I'm lucky if I drink 4 glasses of water in a day. That doesn't seem right. So we're gonna figure out how to maneuver this water intake with my on-air schedule. That could be a problem. We don't get pee-pee breaks when we're on the air. So the goal is to be asleep in my bed by 10:30 p.m. every night, because I get up at 6:30 to get the kids up and out for school. So that means lights out at 10:30 tonight, and then we'll start our water challenge tomorrow.
Okay, so husband, I told everyone tonight would be night 1 of getting to bed on time.
Yeah. So you failed.
But I had a legitimate excuse. I mean, I was working on something.
Yeah, that's true. You were working on something. You had some technical difficulties with your
video.
Your work.
With my video.
But I don't know. I'm not 100% sure that even if you didn't have that,
that I wouldn't have stayed up.
That you. I mean, last 2 nights, as a matter of fact.
I got to bed early. No, last night we went to bed. I went to bed early, didn't I?
I don't think so.
I know. I messed up. We'll do better tomorrow.
Okay. I believe in you.
Okay, I know I probably look like a nightmare. I just got up and I hit the snooze button one time. I'm tired, but it's the start of my 8x8 water challenge. So I've got my first glass of water. So cheers, 1 down. We'll see how it goes the rest of the day. So I am at work and it's around noon and I'm not doing a great job on the water already. I've only had 2 cups, but I have my water bottle. Here you go. I've got my water bottle and I'm gonna fill it up. I waited till I got to work because the water is filtered and free. So I'm gonna fill this bad boy up and I'm gonna try to knock it out. So far only 16 ounces. I'll check in, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna cut my water off around 1 because I go on air at 3 o'clock. And I don't want to have to use the bathroom, so. All right, I'll check in with you later.
Hey, Gabrielle.
Hi, Tori, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good. I had to talk to you real quick before the show because I have a new video series called Busy Beauty.
Okay.
So for this week's episode, I am doing the 8x8 water challenge, where you drink 8 ounces of water 8 times a day. So I just wanted to give you a heads up because we don't really build pee-pee breaks into a shift.
Okay.
So I cut my water off at 1, but I just want it to be out there that nature might call. I don't know. I'm hoping not. That's all I needed to tell you.
Do you want like a code phrase or something?
like
Carol Burnett.
right, yeah, like I'll like wiggle my nose.
Yeah.
Or I'll just give you the peace sign and we'll know that I gotta roll.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah.
I love it. You're so easy, Tori.
See? Yeah.
Ask and you shall pee. All right, so hopefully I make it through these 3 hours without an incident. We shall see. I'll check in.
So we're starting a little earlier so that you can make your selection, see the entire assortment. Elise Ivy, she's standing by with some more great shopping. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
I just finished the last full bottle, so I did it. I had actually drank officially 66 ounces of water today. It wasn't hard, but I had those 3 hours on air where I wasn't really drinking anything, and I cut my water off an hour before I went on air, so there wouldn't be any problems, and there wasn't. If anything, I was actually really thirsty. So I don't know if my body's now like, you're giving me water, so give me more. I don't know, so we'll see what happens. I thought I would finish my water before bedtime. It is 10:33, so I told you lights out by 10:30, so I'm going to bed. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the water challenge. It's the end of day 2, and I have finished all my water for the day, but it was up to the wire, so it was just a crazy day. I was running around, so it's almost 11 o'clock, and I just finished. I had to kind of guzzle the end of it, but I did it. Hey there. I just got off the air. It's around 7 p.m. on day 3, and I'm not doing too well today. I have my water bottle, and it's full. I have only had 2 glasses of water today. So, I don't know what happened. It was kind of a lazy Saturday to start with. I had my water, I had a couple cups, then I was messing with the kids, and then I got getting ready for work, and then I got into work and was just on the move. So I'm gonna try to guzzle as much as I can on the drive home and when I get back. So I'll check in at bedtime and see how we're doing. End of day 3. It's officially midnight, so now we're into day 4, and I wasn't very good today. So I'm trying to guzzle my second bottle, and I still have, looks like maybe a cup or so still in there. So today, day 3 was a little bit of a bust. I'm gonna finish this though, so probably in the next 20 minutes. So I'm a little behind. Tomorrow though, I'm off from work, so, and I'm down a kid. My daughter's with her grandmother, so I should have no excuses. I'm gonna finish all my water. In the meantime, say hi, husband.
Hi, husband.
Good night.
Good night.
All right, so I am at work and I discovered a brand new water filter. Okay, check this out. Sometimes it's the little things. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, it looks so fancy. Okay, so I tasted this new water and I don't like it. You know, I don't know, now that I am drinking so much water, I can be considered a water connoisseur, but or a bit of a water snob, but I don't like the way this water cooler water tastes. Isn't that interesting? I mean, hey there, it's Gabrielle. It's been a few days since my last check-in. I am in the final stretch of my 7-day water challenge. So what have I observed so far in the challenge? I have had to go to the bathroom a lot. I find that I am more thirsty. I don't know why, if anybody can break it down, but I don't know, is it because my body is getting used to having more water? So it's like, well, give us even more. Like, that's good, but we could use more water. So I don't know, I drink and I'm still feeling like I could drink more water, which I guess is a good thing. I'm on a good pace for today though. It's only the mid-afternoon. I've already had 1 full bottle and 2 cups. So I'm doing pretty well today. So I'll check in with you at the end, kind of give you my final thoughts, but right now I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll catch up with you later. All right, so I am back after finishing up the 8x8 water challenge. So I did it for a week. 1 week I drank 64 ounces of water. It was 8 cups of 8 ounces of water every day for 7 days. And it was still a challenge. Only because, you know, we live busy lifestyles, we're on the move, on the go. I was toting my water bottle with me religiously. So a couple things. I found that I definitely got into the habit of taking my water bottle with me. So I had water. Now the getting into a routine of drinking it, like I was thinking, oh, I'll drink it every hour, have a cup of water. It didn't go down like that. It didn't happen that way. I found myself thinking about, I gotta drink my water, I gotta drink my water, but not getting to the water until the end of the day most of the days. Why? You know, I've got a crazy schedule. You know, I'm on air and it's not like I can sit there and chug water for 3 or 4 hours while I'm on camera, so that made it hard. But I feel like it's definitely something I still want to try to incorporate into my lifestyle. When I would start the mornings with a cup of water, for whatever reason, I actually felt a little more energetic. Like, it was almost like a cup of coffee. It just gave me a shot. It would wake me up. And I'm not a coffee drinker, but most days I would wake up and start my day, and it could be hours before I had my first drink of anything. So that definitely made a difference. So that's something I'm going to try to keep going, at least starting my day, getting up, having a cup of water before I get my day started and going. You know, we know how good water is for you. We're made up mostly of water. So this challenge, I think, while it was a challenge, it brought to my, kind of brought to the forefront how much I need to drink more water. I don't drink enough. I pretty much doubled my intake for this challenge. So it was really, really tricky trying to get it all in. There were times because I was chugging so much water at once, I was feeling a little waterlogged. I love water, but I actually got a little bored and tired of the taste of water. So there were days where, you know, it wasn't a just water challenge, so I was enjoying like a lemonade or a tea and it tasted so delicious. Man. But I'm gonna keep chugging, or keep bringing my little water bottles with me and filling them up. Did I notice anything else as far as like, did my skin feel different? Were my lips less chapped? Not really. It all seemed pretty much the same. The only thing that was noticeably different was that, yeah, I had to take a bathroom break a lot more often. Oh, and that during this challenge, you know, I also tried to take on another challenge to get to bed earlier because I'm such a night owl. I stay up way too late and then I had to get up early in the morning and then I'm tired and it's just terrible. It goes, a vicious cycle keeps going on and on. That getting to bed early and drinking my water, it didn't go too well. So the going to bed early challenge was a fail. But now that I finished the water challenge, I'm going to try for a week to make sure I get to bed early, on time, and I know that's gonna make a transformative difference. You get more rest, you have more energy, point blank period. So that's my next challenge, because beauty, it does start from within. So you've got to eat right, you've got to stay hydrated, you have to get your rest. Those are like the simple, easy steps to a better lifestyle, and I am guilty as charged. I don't do those as much as I should, so it's never too late to start. And so I hope that you enjoyed following my vlog, my challenge. This is Busy Beauty. You could find new episodes if you want to know when they're dropping. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow the channel. I'm Gabrielle Kerr, and I hope you'll join me for another episode of Busy Beauty real soon.